Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today, we are gonna be unboxing my August Boxycharm base box. I literally keep saying this, but I feel like every time I do a Boxycharm box now, I get reminded that already another month has passed by, and it is absolutely insane to me that we're halfway through August already. So, wow. But anyways, that's what today is gonna be. We are unboxing August's Boxycharm box, seeing what I got this month, and we're gonna test out whatever we can test out. So, before we do, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It means the world. Thank you so much if you do. But if you wanna see me unbox this baby, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alrighty guys, so like I said, this is the August box. As usual, I have no freaking clue what is inside of here. This is my little monthly surprise to myself. So we're all in this together. I am gonna open this up and we're gonna see what I got. I'm gonna read what the details are on each product and we're gonna try out whatever we can try out, because you know sometimes they give like hair products or skincare products that I can't really try out when I already have makeup on. Obviously it's just the hashtag and the Instagram handle and then our little hello charmer at the bottom. And then the hot pink Boxycharm logo. So let's see what the card says this time. We have Boxycharm Dusk Till Dawn. And this looks like coffee, to be honest, which I love. So we're just gonna get right into it. There's 5 products as usual. I'm just gonna start from top to bottom. I'm gonna read stuff and see what happens. So the first product that we have is from OPV Beauty, which is a new brand to me. It's the Glow Perfect Face Palette. It says, as part of the new Glow Perfect collection, this multi-purpose face palette contains a magical trio of highlighter, bronzer, and blusher, proving to be the perfect multifunctional beauty kit. In true OPV Beauty style, Glow Perfect colors are heavily pigmented, which allows them to readily pop on the skin. Each formula delivers shade longevity and will stay put for the duration of the day following application. Goes for $34, which is not that bad actually for a blush, bronzer, and a highlighter. So let me just see where this is at. Here we go. It's like wrapped up in bubble wrap. Very nice. Oh my god, this is like extra wrapped up. Just took the plastic wrap off, and obviously this is the outer packaging, so let's take this off too. And there's more packaging. Oh my god, you guys. Okay, so here's the actual packaging. I feel like this kind of thing is becoming a lot more popular. I'm seeing this on a lot of makeup products where it's like this like chrome, like rose gold thing with like matte rose gold letters, which is very cute, but I feel like it's being done a lot lately. So anyways, this is in shade 4. I have shade 4. And then opening this up, I'm just gonna take this off. This is beautiful. I feel like I've seen similar, but it is really, really pretty. I love how much wrapping is on this. Like I really do. Like this was not gonna break, no way. So let me just swatch these on the back of my arm for you so we could see what they look like. And I'll be right back and I'll tell you guys a little bit more about this. All right, so I just swatched on the back of my hand. Obviously, all 3 are very, very pigmented, and they all felt really, really good when I dipped my fingers into them. They felt super, super buttery and soft and nice. So I really love how they feel, but I'm gonna take a brush and just apply a little bit of the products on my face so we could see what they actually look like applied. So I'll do bronzer, then blush, then highlighter, and I'll show you guys. So let's just put this on. All right, I just finished applying and I really, really like how these turned out. They're definitely very pigmented, so a little goes a long, long way, especially with the blush. Oh my god, I barely dipped my brush into it and so much product came off. I had to like take my hand and just wipe a little bit because it was a lot of product. So you get a lot for your money with this, definitely. The bronzer is very, very beautiful. I love the color. It suited me really nicely. The blush is really, really pretty. It's just a little too pink for me. I like more like peachy tone blushes. So this probably wouldn't be my first choice for color, but it definitely is very pigmented and smooth going on. The highlighter, I will say, is not the most like highlighty to me, I guess. I feel like if you're looking for like a beaming highlight, this isn't gonna be it. I felt like this was a little bit more on the natural side for a highlighter. It's not too in your face, if you know what I mean. And there's a lot of fallout with these, so just be careful if you're like dressed to go somewhere and you're using this, because you'll probably get product on your clothes. Just be aware of that. But other than that, I really do like this, and I want to keep playing with it, so far so good. Next up is Natasha Denona, the Cupid eyeshadow palette, with 3 velvety mattes and 2 dazzling metallics. The versatile 5-pan Cupid palette is all you need to create a range of romantic looks from flirty to fierce, featuring rich coppery browns, bright champagne pinks, and luscious burgundy corals. All 5 shades are velvety, hydrating, and effortless to layer. $48. Expensive, but it's Natasha Denona, so what were we expecting? So let me take it out of here. Okay, I like that they put it in this little cardboard packaging as well, just to make sure that it's safe in there. So this is what the actual shades are. This is gonna be perfect for fall and winter. These are like the perfect like cold weather shades, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna swatch these on the back of my arm, and then I'll be right back to show you guys what they look like, let you know what they feel like. I'll be right back. I'm back, and all I'm gonna say is leave it up to Natasha Denona to just make the most pigmented, creamiest, most perfect eyeshadows. Like, these have so much pigment coming off of them. I barely had to touch the product in the pans, and so much came off. Like, in Natasha Denona fashion, like, just amazing. I will say, for me, these are a little bit more on the cool side than what I like to wear. You guys know I love my warm tones, so I don't know how often I'm gonna grab for this, but I do see myself for, like, if I'm going for a more berry kind of look, I will definitely grab for this. But I do want to take just a little bit of this light shade and just dab it onto my eyelids. See what it looks like here. Just a little messy job, and it's beautiful. It's like a slight purpley color. I love it. Again, a little more on the cool side than what I love for myself, but it's still so beautiful, and it's Natasha Denona. Like, I already know the quality of these are amazing, so obviously I could tell you these are already worth it. It's just the color scheme that I wouldn't choose for myself first, if you know what I mean. So, love it. I will continue to play with it. But next is from Aesthetica, which is new to me. It's the Starlight Highlighter. Create a multi-dimensional radiant glow. This velvety soft, lightweight, illuminating formula delivers stunning, buildable highlight that can be worn day or night. Achieve a picture perfect, luminous finish that complements all skin tones. Goes for $25. So let's see. Wait, maybe I have tried something from this brand before. I think I tried a bronzer from this brand actually, and I think I loved it because I used it so much that all the product pretty much came off of it. So I love that they packed this up like this as well. Let me see what this, oh, this is like a pink. Okay, so this is gonna be like a blush slash highlighter. It's very like multi-dimensional. I love the little mirror in here. Let me swatch this on the back of my hand. I'm running out of room. There's so many makeup products in this box. Look at this. That's very pigmented. Let's see if it gives me as much of a highlighted effect as that other highlighter. I'm dipping my brush into here. This one's definitely more highlighty. I don't know how much I love like the pinky hint to it. I feel like I like more of, like I said, a warm tone. I feel like I'm getting a lot of cool tones in this box. I like more, like, if I'm gonna mix a blush and a highlighter like this, I want it to be on like the peachier side, like a warm tone, not so much like a cool pink, like how this is giving off, I feel like. So this, again, wouldn't be my first choice of color, but I do really like the effect that it's giving my cheeks. So I'm curious about this. I do want to keep playing with it and see what it continues to do, but very cool concept. Next we have from LUXIE. It's the all-purpose sponge set. It says, this duo-sided beauty sponge is best used damp and made for your liquid complexion products. This sponge absorbs the least amount of product and applies the majority of it onto your skin. The microfiber sponge used dry will apply your powder products smoothly, or used wet will apply your liquid products with no lines of demarcation. $40, wow. Okay, so you get 2 sponges in here, which is very nice because $40 is not cheap. I've heard of LUXIE. I feel like a lot of people like their brushes, but I've never heard of the sponges. They feel really cool, but this is like throwing me off that the color is kind of weird. And oh, that must be like the microfiber thing. Okay, now I understand. This is like just a regular sponge, and this is good to be used like wet or dry with powder products or liquid products. So this is a really cool concept. I actually really am interested by this. Obviously I can't really try it right now, but they do feel really good. They feel squishy, which I love. I hate when sponges are like really, really hard. So I'm gonna have to mess around with these and see. You guys know I'm ride or die for my beauty blenders, but who knows? Maybe this will take over my life. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted, but so far I really like how they feel. They're like a good size. They're pretty much like a beauty blender, but we'll see how they work once I try them out. So I'm really glad that I got these. And then last but not least, we have from Beauty for Certain, which is new to me. It's the Deluxe lipstick. Generate, originate, choose only the finest with BFC's long-lasting Deluxe lipstick, delivering that extra matte finish, silky smooth application, and velvet texture you crave. $18, so not bad pricing. And then here is what the actual packaging looks like. Okay, so this is like an actual lipstick. I feel like I haven't used like a lipstick in a hot minute, so I am here for this. If you put this in your purse, it's definitely gonna come off and like get all over your stuff. So I feel like you'd have to keep this in a little pouch, but it just comes off so easily. Like there's no stick to it. So that feels like really like not good quality if you ask me, but the packaging is really cool. It stands out, so I like that a lot. Here's the actual lipstick. This is like a really nice nudish, pinkish, well, more on the nude side color. Here's what that looks like. That's a really, really, really pretty nude. I love my nudes. Let me see what this looks like. I already have lip product on, but I want to see what this looks like on top, so let me see. This was actually the perfect shade of lipstick to wear with the lip liner slash gloss that I had on, and it is beautiful. It feels really, really nice. It definitely matted my lips down a little bit, but I had gloss on, so how much could it have really? But the color is stunning. It feels really, really, really nice. I love it. Like this is exactly the kind of nude that I look for, so I'm in love. This is definitely one that I'm gonna continue using. I just have to be careful about the packaging because that is not my favorite part. But that's it. That's all 5 products. I love each one. They're all unique in their own way. But this was a lot of fun. I feel like there were a lot of cool products in this box that I'm gonna want to grab for again and just see how they work out for me more and more as I continue to use them. So another successful box. I'm happy about it. I'm gonna keep trying all the products in here, like I said. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please comment and let me know what you guys think about the products that I got. Let me know if you do Boxycharm too. Let me know if we are box twins, or if you got something totally different. Let me know what's in yours. I am nosy. So just let me know. Give me your thoughts. Let me know what else you guys want to see from me. Give this a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.